Hi, and welcome to the Dentrix Install to Charting video. I'm going to go through all the steps required to order microphones, download Voice Perio, register the software, train the hygiene team, and begin using Voice Perio with patients. It sounds like a lot, but it's actually quite simple. It should only take a few minutes to set up and start the training. It begins with a welcome email. Put this email somewhere that it will be easy for you to access during the setup, like on the desktop. You will need to share different links within this email with different team members. It may be beneficial to include your IT person in the installation process. First, let's look at the link for the microphones. Consider the options carefully. They are different. The first two are wired lapels with a 6-foot cord. Next is a wired lapel with a 20-foot cord. There is a wireless lapel with a battery pack. We recommend that you have extra batteries on hand for this mic. Finally, there's a headset option. If you click the link, it will bring you to where you can order the mic that you feel will work best in your operatory. You'll need the mic on site to test the install and begin training. Once your mic is plugged in, we'll go to Settings, System, Sound, and make sure that your microphone is selected here on the Input tab. Now we're going to click here to actually start the download. It should only take a minute. Then we'll go back to the welcome email, copy the license key, and register the software. You may see this warning here on the lower left. Click the 3 dots and choose to keep. Drop the down menu and keep anyway. Now we're going to go to the downloads folder. Double click on Bola, click more information, run anyway, and you can see that it's installing. Now it's asking you to register the software. So we'll go back to the welcome email, copy the license key, and paste it in the spot provided. We need to agree to the terms, and it will bring you to the training system. Completing this training is essential for great success charting patients immediately with Voice Perio. If training is being completed in the office, you're ready to begin. This will let clinicians get comfortable with the software prior to using it with patients. It will show a short video and then have them try the commands. The videos are listed here on the right-hand side. If the training is to be done away from the office, you will need to forward the welcome email to the clinicians. They will need both the link that's here as well as the license key. Once training is completed, you'll begin using Voice Perio with patients. Let's pin Bola to the taskbar so it's easy for the clinicians to find. When you open the Perio chart and start Bola, keep the Bola panel on the right side. You don't want the panels to overlap. Also, be sure that the Bola migration path is selected here. It's also imperative that you don't mix voice commands with mouse and keyboard clicks. Try placing the mic in a few different spots to see what's going to work best in your operatory. We recommend that you keep the mic close to you, a maximum of 2 feet away, and keep it in front of you for best results. Attaching the lapel mic to your chest area will be best. The further away you are from the mic, the less audible your voice is, and the slower the system will seem. Other sounds, speech, and noise will interfere with your voice, especially if they are of similar volume. Keep all non-perio chatter to a minimum while charting. This will ensure that the system is fast, reliable, and does not miss or add unintended numbers into your chart. Let's take a look at the Bola Voice Perio menu items. The most important will be help. Here you'll find instructions for use for the clinicians, interactive training, quick start guides, an exhaustive voice command list, and how-to videos. There's also support for the admin staff and how to reach us. If the app seems to be frozen or not acting the way you expect it to, rather than clicking on and off the microphone, simply hit refresh. The quick view box is if you would like for the numbers to populate up here in the white space of this panel. One, one, one. You can see that it shows you a preview of what it's putting into the chart. And then report feedback. If at any time the app doesn't behave the way that you expect it to, simply report the feedback. If you choose bad or very bad, it will give you these options to choose from. Okay, let's do some charting. The software is designed to adapt to your charting style. It does not require you to memorize lists of commands or make voice recordings. This blue mic is not ready to chart. You'll see when I click it, it turns yellow. It's asking me to select the most distal position of the first available tooth in the arch and to make sure that these panels are not overlapping. Once I click the first position, you'll see that the mic is red and we're ready to chart. 545, 545, 545, 434, 434, 323, 212, 212, start recession, 111, 222, 333, jump to tooth number 7, 010, 0 plus 10, start pocket depths, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, bleeding on the distal of tooth number 1, bleeding on the mesial and distal of tooth number 3, bleeding on sexton 2, bleeding on quadrant 3, For a more in-depth look at how to do all of the commands in a Perio chart, please visit the Help section. Under Instructions for Use, you can select the Interactive Training mode, look at some quick start guides, an exhaustive command list, or some how-to videos.